Hey y'all, this is Jack, your tech design coach, and this video will give you the basic steps for providing feedback on student work through Blend. So if you have an assignment or a graded Blend discussion open as the teacher, in the top right, you're going to see a button for the SpeedGrader. The SpeedGrader is Blend's built-in grading tool. When you click it, it opens in a new tab, and let's first look at the lay of the land, what's going on here. I'm looking at a student submission here. The name of the student will appear in the top right. I have anonymized it for the purposes of this video, but you'd see a student name here. And when you click there, you'll see that it is showing me all sections of my class, and I can scroll through a list of all of the students that I have. An orange dot means that the student has submitted something, and I can click directly to their submission with that link. A gray name means that the student has not yet turned anything in. And a green check mark indicates that I've already graded that assignment. Now this can be an overwhelming way to look, so you can also hover on the top where it says all sections and go straight to a certain period. And that will change your dropdown to just be the students in that period. Another useful tip here is in the settings gear, under options, you can sort the student list by the submission status. When you do that, it will move all of the students who have submitted but have not yet been graded to the top, and any students that are already graded will move to the bottom of the list. You can also cycle through submissions with the arrows. And in terms of actually giving the feedback, the point value you put in the assignment will show up here, and you can put in points. And then giving students the feedback that they need to improve happens in a few ways. So you can do written comments to the student here. And you can also click on the media comment button and launch your webcam and speak directly to the student about their work and what you'd like to see them do differently. If you have different types of submissions, like a Word document or a Google Doc, here it would show up with a toolbar across the top where you can actually annotate in the document. This one is just a text entry, and so we can't use those tools on this one.